tomorrow can.
What's that?
7 to 10:30.
7 to 10? Okay, this is the...
Buffet.
Okay, buffet. Buffet time.
Time is limited.
Alright, okay. Great. So it's not happening much.
You see control.
Okay, we're going
Yes.
to second floor. Okay.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Good night. So 202 Armoni is my hotel name. Just near the beach. Alright. 202, 209, 20, okay. 03, okay, there we go. 202. Just put the card in. Wow. Just put the lock in. Okay, this is going to be my room. Big bed. I have a little balcony over here. Let me keep the bag. I'll give you a little room tour. For this one I paid 1,390 Thai baht for 2 nights including breakfast. We got a big air conditioner. See the bed. It's okay. Very big TV. Okay, nice clean bathroom. I guess it's not bad. It's really raining hard outside, so I don't think I can go out tonight. Well, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning. So I'll give you a little tour around Phuket. So until that, see you.